What's up, everybody? And today I am hanging out with Kevin and Meredith, two old school VIP kidders. What's gonna happen is Kevin's gonna go first, and he's gonna tell a story to Meredith. And while he's telling the story, he's gonna draw it out. Meredith is gonna draw the story as well, but neither of them can see the other person's drawing. And then at the very end, they're gonna reveal, and then we're gonna switch spots. So, the story they're gonna tell is about their most memorable story at VIPKid of each other. And hopefully we'll get some funny stories. If not, then we'll find two new people.
Yeah.
That's
two different people.
Yeah. So, let's get started.
Meredith used to run this yoga impromptu class, and I'm not particularly fit. I'm closer to fat than to fit. There's one session on our patio. Right here, this is the wall. Here's the floor, and this will be some like windows over here. She always had to end it with Pilates of some sort. And there's always a song, and then the first time we do it, it's like, all right guys, we're gonna do it for 30 seconds. Are you ready? You do it for 30 seconds. She's like, 30 more seconds. But I thought we were doing 30 seconds. That's another 30 seconds. And then I would do it, and Meredith would be right next to me, going like, don't you stop, 10 more seconds, come on! 10 more seconds! And our other friend Andrew's there, and he's like, come on Kevin, you big boy, you can do it! And I see Meredith look at me and just go, she's really nice, but not when you work out with her.
It turned into something weird. And it was really hot.
It was very hot. Oh, you kind of look like a frog now. I'm very sorry.
Okay, ready?
I know exactly what you're talking about because I remember those days and they were so hot and I can picture you. It didn't quite come out here because
A dog.
you look like a dog, but these are the tears that you're crying. It's also mixed with sweat, and this is me because I was really mean.
All right, so are you ready? The story that I thought of for you, I actually have to look at you a bit when I'm drawing, getting a little head start, so I had been at VIPKid for maybe 1 or 2 years, and then I remember I told you about it. I wanted to convince you to come and work with me because I wanted my friend there. And so after, I don't know, lots of calls and emails back and forth, you finally got an interview. You walk in with like a full-on 3-piece suit.
Yeah.
And people were like, who is this guy coming in here in the middle of summer with a 3-piece suit on? And you just said to me, Meredith, you gotta dress for the job you want, okay? And I was like, all right, Kev. Halfway through the interview though, you have this very interesting like bodily function where if you get sweaty, your armpits get sweaty, but one armpit gets way sweatier than the other armpit. So you had this like huge dark stain under maybe your right armpit and then a really light stain under the other one. But yeah, you had like a 7-hour interview and you were just extremely sweaty, but you looked great. Mine's pretty true to life. Okay, now that I look at it, you don't look like you're wearing a suit, but I cannot picture what a suit looks like, honestly, in my mind.
So that same day I sent a picture to Meredith because I had to go to the bathroom and take my shirt off because I had sweat so much. So the picture was, I took my shirt off, I'm inside a bathroom stall, and I put my hand inside of my shirt and you could see my hand as if it was a plastic bag. So my picture is my hand inside my shirt, but the sweat made it translucent. And then this is the dark spot she talked about.
Yeah. Oh, that's right, it's your right armpit.